Welcome back to OASIS, the Oversized Access State Interstate System User Tutorials videos. This video will guide you through the steps to adjust a route to prefer certain roads using via points. When entering the origin and destination for a trip, you have the option to prefer certain roads by the use of via points. These points can be entered by specifying certain highways to be used or by selecting map points to be included when determining the route. Via points can be entered when you enter the origin and destination points, or more commonly, after the route is initially calculated to modify the default route. The procedure for both is identical. In this example, we will consider a load from Halifax to Brockton, where we've already set the origin and destination. Once you click Validate and Run, the system determined a suitable route of travel and displayed a map of that route. If you would like to consider an alternate route, you can do so through the use of via points. To add a via point, click the double arrow button to expand the left side of the screen. Via points can be specific highways or map locations. To prefer specific highways, select Highway from the list, then enter the highway names of the preferred route of travel. Road names must be entered in the proper format: I for Interstate, US for US Highways, or SR for Massachusetts Highways, followed by the road number. Separate road names with a comma. Once these highways have been entered, click Validate and Run to recalculate the trip, preferring the highways named as long as there are no restrictions on the roads specified. Again, you will be prompted with a map display of the route for your review. If you prefer, you can also enter via points by clicking specific locations to be routed through by using the map display. Select Find on Map from the drop-down list, then click Select on Map link to display the map view. You can then use the map navigation tools to zoom into specific points to be added. Please note that you must be zoomed in to level 14 or greater to select a map point. To choose a map point, pick the Select Radio button at the top of the map. Then click on a map point to be included. If desired, additional map points can be selected. Once map points have been selected, click Done to return to the previous screen. You can then click Validate and Run to recalculate the trip, routing through any via points specified. Again, you will be prompted with the map display of the route for your review. Beneath the map, you will find turn-by-turn directions to further validate the route of travel. Once the route is determined, you can choose Save and Exit or click Next to continue the permitting process. If these options still do not provide the route you prefer, you can choose to have it reviewed by selecting the checkbox located above the map. Enter the reason you would like to have the route reviewed in the field provided. Click Next to send to the Mass DOT office to approve. This concludes the OASIS user tutorial video on how to adjust a route using via points. Don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.